Yeah, the question is integer break. You have given an integer, like for example 2. You have to break it into k sum of positive integers. K is greater than or should be equal to 2. So what we will do, we'll break the we'll break the n integer into k sum of positive integer. Like for example, as you can see, we have broken the n into 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so it's the positive sum of integer 2. Okay, then maximize the product of those integers, the integer which we have formed 1 and 1. To maximize this product, we multiply them and we will get the answer 1. Okay, so the same thing going on over here also, as you can see. So how we'll do it, let me show you the code. First we are going to use the DP approach. So how it's going to work, let's see. Vector int dp n plus 1, array size will be n plus 1, and all the value we have initialized inside the n plus 1 array, dp array is 0. Okay, then dp at index 1 is what, the 1. Then we'll declare a for loop, int I is equal to 2. It will start at index 2. I is less than equal to n, I increment. Then a for loop, a nested for loop, j is equal to 1. J is less than what, I. Then what, j increment. Then what, inside this dp at index 2, what will be the answer? Let's take an example. We have taken n is equal to 2, so I is 2. So yeah, max dp I. So you are thinking, I mean, what's the value of dp at index 2? Because I is 2, so we didn't initialize. We have initialized all the indexes to 0 except the first one is 1. So it's a base case which helps us to tell us the other indexes value. Okay, so currently this dp at index 2 is 0. Okay, it will get updated through the logic of this code. And after that, max j multiply I minus j, then comma j multiply dp I minus j. Okay, then return dp, and let's run the code. So yeah guys, it's working fine. Beat 26% people. Yeah, that's fine. I know not optimal, but yeah, that's okay. So yeah guys, that's it for right now. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please write down in the comment section. Thank you.